In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a page on your Wix website in just 5 minutes. This is a useful skill to have when you want to keep certain pages of your site under wraps, either because they're not ready for public viewing or they're meant for a specific audience. Let's dive in and get started. First, you need to log into your Wix account. Navigate your way to the site's dashboard you'll be working on. If managing multiple sites, double-check to select the right one, as each project has its own dashboard. Once you are in your dashboard, you'll want to direct your attention to the site design. To do this, click on the Design Site button. This will lead you straight to the Wix website editor, where all the magic happens. Here, you'll have the opportunity to manage every aspect of your site's design. The next step is to locate the page you'd like to hide. You'll need to head over to the Page and Menu section. This is usually on the left-hand side of your screen. Clicking here will reveal a list of all the pages composing your website. Scroll through if you have a large number of pages until you find the specific one you wish to hide. Once you've identified the page, now comes the central part of the task, hiding it. Look for the Show Hide icon. This could resemble an eye or similar symbol indicating visibility settings. Clicking on this icon will automatically hide the page from your live site. You'll know it's hidden when the icon displays a change, generally crossing out the eye. Although your page is now hidden, it's a good idea to ensure everything looks right from a visitor's perspective. To do this, take advantage of the Preview feature located at the top right corner of your screen. Click Preview to see how your site looks without the hidden page. It allows you to navigate your site as a visitor, ensuring that the page does indeed not appear. If you're satisfied with the preview and are ready to finalize these changes, your next move would be to publish them. Click on Publish, also found in the top right corner, to update the live version of your site.